With their vivid hues and serene presence, it's no wonder that people seek lotus flowers for ornamental ponds, gardens, and indoor spaces. But how many types of lotus flowers are there? The answer is that there are countless varieties, each unique in its own right. This article will explore the different types of lotus flowers, diving into their characteristics, color variations, and what makes each special. Here are the 41 varieties of lotus flowers and their characteristics. But before that, welcome to my channel. One. Nelumba nucifera, sacred lotus. The sacred lotus is perhaps the most well-known of all lotus flowers, often associated with spiritual purity and enlightenment. Its large, pink or white flowers stand tall, symbolizing beauty that rises above the muck. This species is native to Asia and revered in many cultures, especially religious ones. It's a flower that exudes calm and tranquility, making it a favorite in water gardens and temples. 2. Nelumba lutea, American lotus. A striking variety of lotus is found primarily in the United States, and the American lotus has broad, waxy leaves and vibrant yellow flowers. Unlike its pink cousin, the sacred lotus, this species blooms with soft yellow hues and thrives in warmer climates. Its large flowers and wide leaves make it a stunning addition to large ponds or lakes, making it one of the different types of lotus flowers you may consider for large aquatic spaces. 3. Pink lotus, Nelumba nucifera, Roseum plenum. The pink lotus is a classic symbol of purity and beauty. Known for its soft pink petals and large blooms, this variety is perfect for water gardens looking to add color and elegance. The double-petaled varieties of pink lotus offer a richer texture, making it one of the more luxurious lotus types of flowers to grow. 4. White lotus, Nelumba nucifera, Alba. The white lotus stands as a symbol of spiritual awakening, grace, and enlightenment. Its white petals, often complemented by a yellow center, create a peaceful and serene atmosphere. This type of lotus is widely grown in ponds, offering beauty and meaning in cultural contexts. It is one of the most classic different kinds of lotus flowers available. 5. Yellow lotus, Nelumba nucifera, Helvola. The yellow lotus is a smaller, dwarf variety of lotus flowers, which makes it perfect for smaller water gardens or containers. Its soft yellow petals and smaller blooms bring any pond a warm, sunny touch. This lotus is especially adored for its vibrant colors that evoke a sense of happiness and calm, a unique variety among the different types of lotus flowers. 6. Blue lotus, Nelumba nucifera, Blue Queen. The blue lotus is a rare variety that features an enchanting blue hue. This species is known for its symbolism in Egyptian culture, representing rebirth and spiritual enlightenment. The color of the blue lotus makes it stand out amongst other lotus types of flowers, and its vibrant bloom is a favorite for collectors. 7. Momo botan, double pink lotus. The Momo botan is a stunning double-petaled pink variety that brings a touch of luxury and richness to any water garden. With its delicate fragrance and abundant blooms, this variety adds a lush, peony-like texture to the classic lotus flower. This variety is often chosen for its beauty and fragrance among the different kinds of lotus flowers. 8. Mrs. Perry D. Slocum, lavender pink lotus. Mrs. Perry D. Slocum is a lavender pink variety of lotus that boasts a soft, calming color. This lotus blooms with large, graceful flowers that exude a subtle elegance, making it a popular choice for people looking to enhance the serenity of their pond or water feature. 9. Charles Thomas, deep pink lotus. The Charles Thomas variety is known for its rich, deep pink blooms. These bold and dramatic flowers offer a striking contrast against the surrounding green foliage. This type of lotus is often admired for its large, impressive flowers that add grandeur to any garden. 10. Rising moon, pink lotus. The rising moon lotus is a pale pink variety that almost seems to glow like the rising moon. Its soft, glowing flowers make it an ideal choice for a tranquil and peaceful water garden, offering one of the gentler lotus flowers to add to your space. 11. Summer Fragrance Pink and White Lotus. As the name suggests, the summer fragrance lotus produces an irresistible fragrance and striking pink and white blooms. This hybrid lotus thrives during the warmer months, adding continuous color and a fragrant atmosphere to your water feature, making it a favorite among many lotus flowers. 12. Frankly Scarlet Red Lotus. The Frankly Scarlet variety is a deep, rich red lotus that stands out due to its bold color. Red lotuses like this one are often associated with strength and passion, making it a great choice for those looking for a dramatic and eye-catching flower in their water features. This deep red lotus is one of the most vibrant lotus types of flowers available. 13. Rising Sun Golden Lotus. The Rising Sun is a unique golden yellow lotus that shines brightly in full bloom. It is often used to represent new beginnings, optimism, and spiritual awakening. Its bright, sun-like petals make it an excellent focal point in any water feature or pond, evoking the sun's warmth through one of the different types of lotus flowers. 14. Perry's Giant Sunburst Large Yellow Lotus. With its giant yellow blooms, Perry's Giant Sunburst is a showstopper among lotus types of flowers. This variety's large, vibrant flowers are ideal for creating a focal point in any pond or large water garden, making it one of the standout varieties in different types of lotus flowers. 15. Perry's Double Red Lotus. The Perry's Double Red Lotus blooms with double-petaled, deep red flowers. It offers a dramatic, striking appearance, making it one of the more popular lotus types for collectors and water garden enthusiasts. This bold color adds a sense of grandeur to any pond or water garden. 16. Shironoya White Lotus with Pink Edges. A unique variety, the Shironoya has white petals that gradually fade to a soft pink at the edges. This subtle color gradient creates a delicate and sophisticated appearance, perfect for enhancing the aesthetic of a serene water garden. It is one of the more nuanced types of lotus flowers. 17. Pink Star Vibrant Pink Lotus. The Pink Star Lotus is a vibrant, hot pink variety perfect for adding color to any pond or water garden. Its bold, dramatic blooms will turn heads, making it a popular choice for those who love bright, showy flowers in their aquatic space. 18. Shiraz Dark Pink Lotus. The Shiraz lotus has deep, dark pink petals, giving it a velvety, luxurious appearance. This variety is admired for its bold color and elegance and is often sought after for its rich and sophisticated look among the different kinds of lotus flowers. 19. Superstar Bright White Lotus with Pink Highlights. The Superstar Lotus is striking with white petals and pink-tipped edges. The vibrant contrast between the pink and white makes it stand out, adding an extra beauty to any water feature or pond. 20. Midnight Dark Purple Lotus. The Midnight Lotus is a rare variety that features dark purple petals, often appearing nearly black in some lighting. This mysterious and dramatic flower adds a unique touch to any lotus collection, making it an exceptional choice for those looking for something different. 21. Lotus Momo Chichio Dark Pink Fragrant Lotus. The Momo Chichio lotus is a fragrant, dark pink variety that adds a touch of elegance and sweetness to any water garden. Its fragrant blooms and dense petals make it a favorite for those who appreciate beauty and scent in their lotus flowers. 22. Perry's Pink Beauty Light Pink Lotus. Perry's Pink Beauty is a soft, light pink lotus that exudes a gentle charm. The delicate hue of its flowers gives a calm, serene look, perfect for creating a peaceful atmosphere in water gardens or ponds. 23. Florida Sunset Orange Pink Lotus. The Florida Sunset Lotus features a stunning blend of orange and pink petals, resembling the colors of a sunset. This variety is ideal for adding a warm, glowing touch to any pond or water garden, evoking peace and calm. 24. White Queen Large White Lotus. The White Queen is known for its large, pristine white flowers. This variety stands out for its elegant simplicity and is often regarded as a symbol of purity and spiritual awakening. It is a perfect gift for someone starting a new chapter in life, such as marriage or personal growth. 25. Siamese Queen Deep Pink Lotus. The Siamese Queen blooms with deep, vibrant pink petals, making it one of the most visually striking lotus types of flowers. It's a rich color, and large blooms are perfect for adding a touch of drama and beauty to any water feature. It is commonly given during important anniversaries or celebrations of love. Its rich color and dramatic blooms make it a fitting gift for couples celebrating milestones in their relationship. 26. Rainbow Lotus Multicolored Lotus. As the name suggests, the rainbow lotus blooms with multicolored petals, ranging from pink to yellow and even purple in some cases. The shifting colors make it one of the most unique lotus flowers, perfect for adding a bit of magic and variety to a garden or pond. 27. Pink Sensation Vibrant Pink Lotus. The pink sensation is a vibrant, hot pink lotus that immediately catches the eye. Known for its striking color and prolific blooms, it is a great choice for anyone looking to add a bold and energetic presence to their water feature. 28. Eternal Blossom Large Cream White Lotus. The Eternal Blossom is a large cream white lotus with wide, smooth petals. Its elegant appearance makes it perfect for those looking for a more classic, timeless beauty in their lotus flowers. This is often gifted as a symbol of enduring love, making it perfect for anniversaries or engagements. Its timeless beauty also makes it a suitable wedding gift, symbolizing eternal devotion and love. 29. Hanhua Pink and White Blush Lotus. The Hanhua lotus features a delicate blend of soft pink and white petals, creating a blush effect that is both soothing and elegant. This variety is perfect for adding subtle color to any water garden or pond. It is commonly given during intimate celebrations such as anniversaries, engagements, or romantic holidays like Valentine's Day. It represents gentle love and deep affection, making it a meaningful gesture for someone special. 30. Twin Blossom Double Flowering Pink Lotus. The twin blossom is a double flowering pink lotus that produces 2 layers of soft, pink petals. Its dense flowers are perfect for creating a fuller, more voluminous look in your pond or water feature. 31. Lotus Noble Elegant White Lotus. The Lotus Noble is a classic, elegant white variety with a clean, simple look. Known for its large, crisp white blooms, it is a symbol of purity and grace, making it ideal for adding sophistication to any garden or pond. 32. Lotus Catherine Soft Pink Lotus. The Lotus Catherine has soft, pale pink petals that open up beautifully, offering a serene and calming presence. Its subtle color and graceful shape make it perfect for those seeking a peaceful lotus flower for their water garden. 33. Lotus Nanjing Light Yellow Lotus. The Lotus Nanjing features light yellow petals that are both soothing and gentle on the eyes. This soft yellow lotus offers a refined and sophisticated aesthetic, ideal for anyone seeking a more understated look for their water feature. 34. Lotus Olympia Pink with Yellow White Edges. The Lotus Olympia blooms with striking pink petals that have yellow white edges, giving it a visually interesting and dynamic appearance. The soft color transitions add a unique touch to any pond or water garden. 35. Imperial Red Lotus with Pink Hues. The Imperial Red Lotus is a deep red variety with soft pink hues along the edges of its petals. Its rich coloring and strong contrast make it an eye-catching lotus, perfect for those looking for bold colors and dramatic blooms in their water gardens. 36. Pink Cloud-like Pink Lotus. The Pink Cloud is a soft pink variety that blooms with fluffy, cloud-like petals. Its large, smooth blooms create a dreamy, serene effect, making it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance the tranquility of their pond or water garden. 37. Purple Empress Dark Purple Lotus. The Purple Empress is a rare dark purple variety that almost appears black in some lighting. Its intense, deep hue adds a touch of mystery and regal beauty to any water feature, making it a striking addition to any garden. 38. Bridal White Pure White Lotus. The bridal white lotus is known for its pristine, pure white petals that create a clean, elegant look. Its delicate appearance makes it a perfect symbol for weddings, and its simplicity enhances the beauty of any water garden or pond. 39. Golden Goddess Yellow Lotus with a Golden Hue. The Golden Goddess is a unique yellow lotus with a warm, golden hue. It blooms with large, brilliant flowers that add a radiant touch to any water feature or pond, symbolizing joy and prosperity. 40. Crispa Fringed Petals Lotus. The Crispa lotus is unique for its fringed, ruffled petals that give it a distinct, almost aquatic feel. Its unusual petal structure and movement in the water make it a fascinating choice for anyone looking to add texture and motion to their garden, pond, or water feature. 41. Black Lotus Rare Dark Lotus. The black lotus, with its dark petals, is often given on special occasions where mystery and sophistication are appreciated. It is a rare and unique gift, often presented to someone who enjoys the unusual or seeks a symbol of deep transformation and renewal. Lotus flowers are not only beautiful but also hold deep cultural and spiritual significance across various societies. With so many different types of lotus flowers available, from the vibrant pink lotus to the serene white lotus, there's no shortage of options for adding a touch of elegance and tranquility to your water gardens. If you're looking to add a touch of nature to your home or office, you might also be interested in preserved flowers or fresh flowers in Singapore. The daily blooms offer beautiful bloom boxes and bouquets, with same-day delivery island-wide. Experience the beauty of floral arrangements and bring a little piece of nature into your everyday life. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory.